Assalamu alaikum guys. Today I'm going to teach you how to make this delicious banana bread with the caramel almond glaze on top. So let's get started. Make sure you hit that subscribe button and also the bell icon so you can get notified for whenever I post new videos. Check the description below for measurements. We will need all-purpose flour, mashed bananas, sugar, ghee or butter, heavy cream, baking soda and salt, eggs at room temperature, almonds, and brown sugar. We will take a large bowl. To it, we will add the sugar and the butter. With the beater, go ahead and mix it well until combined. Now you will add the eggs one at a time and give them a good mix. I have gone ahead and preheated my oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit or 180 degrees Celsius. Once you've incorporated all the eggs, it should look something like this. Now we will add the mashed bananas and give it a good mix. Now we will take the flour, we will add the baking soda and salt and give it a good mix until it's fully incorporated. Now we will add the flour into the mixture and beat it until it's fully incorporated. Make sure to add the flour in intervals. Now we will take the almonds that we have crushed and just incorporate half of them into the batter by folding them in. Here I'm using a 9x11 pan. I've greased it really well. I will pour it in the batter and smooth it out. Here I've taken a pan and I've added the brown sugar to it. To that, I'm going to add the heavy cream a little at a time in two intervals basically. Give it a good mix and it will form a caramel. To that, we will add the almonds and just let it cook until well combined. Now to the prepared batter, I'm adding the caramel almond sauce and it looks so yummy. I can just eat it like that. You can also put the sauce on top of ice cream and brownies and oh my god, it will be so good. But yeah. Now I'm gonna decorate it with bananas. This is optional, you don't have to do this. I was just trying to be fancy and my bananas broke. Now we're gonna pop it in the oven like that. We will bake it for around 25 to 30 minutes until the toothpick comes out clean. Now you can go ahead and cut it into pieces. It cuts around 12 equal pieces and then it's ready to serve. I usually have it in breakfast with my coffee. Thank you so much for watching my video. Please remember to like, share, and comment, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Allah Hafiz.